Hello everyone! Welcome to my video. My name is Morgan and I am obsessed with all things skincare and beauty related. So today I have decided to talk to you about something very dear and special to my heart, the original Creme De La Mer. This is the original. What I wanted to discuss to you today is how to apply it, what I think about it, what it looks like, how it feels, all that good stuff. Do I think it's worth it? I'm clearly a La Mer junkie, so I think we already know my thoughts in advance, not just because I'm totally brand loyal, but just because, as I said before, this brand has totally changed my skin and I love it. So today what I have on my skin already is I pretty much prepped my face for moisturizer application so I can apply this on camera for you. So what I have right now is I rinsed off, I toned, I used an acid, I used a serum, I did under my eyes, and now I am ready for moisturizer. So a little bit about Creme de la Mer. I already went through the history of it in my moisturizing soft cream video. I just couldn't wait, I'm sorry. I'll link it down below. But this was invented by an astrophysicist named Maximilian Huber back in 1965. He created the original Creme de la Mer to heal chemical burns that he had. He supposedly had the most wonderful, beautiful skin that anyone's ever seen. Even at the age of, in his 60s, 70s, they said he had the skin of a 16-year-old boy. So that was from the original. Max Huber died in 1991, where Estee Lauder companies bought his company off of his daughter, where they recreated the formula. This brand has been easier to get our hands on now that it's sold in Sephora. So let's just get right into it. Right now, I have the 0.5 ounce of the Creme de la Mer. I get a lot out of it. I don't feel like I need to go full in and pay hundreds of dollars when I can just pay $85 and I can get it off the VIB Rogue sales from Sephora. I pay like $60, so it's an easy way for me to get my hands on La Mer, and I just wanted to share that with you. So when I typically use Creme de la Mer is at night because this moisturizer is just so moisturizing and so soothing and so luxurious. There's something about applying this cream at the end of my days, and it's like a moment that I take for myself where I just really press it into my skin and just enjoy the luxurious benefits of La Mer. It's really like a ritual that I do, and it's the experience that La Mer gives you that I love so much. I mean, this company gives you an amazing, luxurious experience. So with every La Mer cream comes a little spatula. So I'm going to open my cream up for you. So here is the cream. As you can see, I've already used it because I can't go without. So I'm gonna scoop a little bit up for you and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I use, see now this to me, that's a lot. You don't need a lot of La Mer to get the luxurious benefits of it. Okay, so I took about half, a little less than half off. So here's the amount I will be using in my video today. So what I do with this cream is there's a whole way to apply it to your skin. This isn't a normal cream that you just, kind of work into your skin and move on with your day. There's kind of a little bit of a step to this. So from the spatula, I put it on my fingertip. And I still even think that's a lot of cream. That's gonna give me a lot of coverage. And I rub it together in my fingertips, like so. So when it gets to this point, that is still not acceptable to apply to your skin. It needs to be translucent. So that milky consistency won't be enough and won't be suitable to apply to your skin yet. At this point, the Miracle Broth isn't fully activated. So we're gonna keep rubbing. And again, just take this time to really just enjoy what's happening. You're about to put on such a beautiful cream, so really just try to take it in. Okay, now the product is totally translucent. Now it's ready for application. So what I do with my La Mer is I cup my hands and I apply it right on my forehead, right on my chin, couple seconds. I apply it right to my cheeks, and then I bring it here, and I just pat gently into my skin. And for my situation, my nose, and since it's the dry winter months, don't forget the tip of your nose. So we're pressing Now, the one thing I have to say about this cream is it can go on forever. I still have so much product on my fingertips. I bring it down my neck, my jawline. I never try to ignore my jawline. And I just keep bringing it down. And I actually bring it down to my décolleté also. I mean, that's what's so cool about the original cream is it feels like it can just go on forever. I mean, it is such a beautiful cream. So as you can see, now that it's applied, I have this like really like luminous glow. I feel very hydrated and delicate. It smells beautiful. It smells, there's no other way I can describe the smell of this product other than it's the original Creme De La Mer. I mean, that's the way it smells. It has its own identity. So now that this product is fully pressed in, I rub the rest on the back of my hands. I wait about a minute before I apply maybe like a spritz afterward. One thing I do want to point out also about the original Creme De La Mer and all like La Mer products is something amazing to add to the products to make it even like more amazing. I know it just gets better and better, is I just want to point this out, I like to add 2 drops of the renewal oil to the cream, and then I mix these 2 together, and then I press on my face as I did previously, and it is like, it's such a dream. I mean, these 2 together, it's like amazing. This alone is amazing, and if you just add a little bit of this, if you're really dry, you don't have to apply this. You don't have to apply this, period. This is just something that I do because I just really like the results, and I like the extra moisture, especially in the winter. But this cream alone is truly an amazing product. It's used to heal dry skin, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful moisturizer, and I do recommend it. I'm getting a long time out of this. I don't feel like I need more. Then of course you can go up to about, I believe it's 170. Let me just give you the correct pricing. So 0.5 ounce is $85 on lamer.com. An ounce is $175. 2 ounces is $325. You'll have that forever. Oh my God. Unless you want to apply it all over your body, then girl, let's keep going. 3.4 ounces is about $490. 8.4 ounces is $1,130. And 16.5 ounces is $2,160. So ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, if you guys want to splurge, I highly recommend this cream. I don't want to downplay it and say that, oh my God, there's other products that can match this for much cheaper, because I don't think there is. Its benefits give me like, the benefits of this product, nobody can really reach other than La Mer, and this is truly a beautiful, luxurious moisturizer. So everybody, I hope you liked my review. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. And I hope you've had the same loving experience as I had with Creme de la Mer. And if you're thinking about buying this product, start small. Start with the 0.5 ounce. Give it a try. Get it in your hands. Get it moving. Put it on your face and just see for yourself. If you have any questions, I'm always here. Thank you so much for watching my video. I would appreciate it if you subscribe, ring the bell, comment. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, La Mer, for creating such beautiful moisturizers. Love you. Bye.